A spinach and egg strata, yeah.
Yum.
Yes.
So what do you got going on here?
So we got like 6 eggs. Just do this.
Can I whip for you,
Can you
darling?
whip? Would you whip for me?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. We have a
love
strange
to
relationship. And then you put your 3 cups of milk in
To make your custard.
to make your custard. Just pour that baby in.
You're adding a little nutmeg.
Little nutmeg, just a little zip.
Here, you have a nice manicure.
I do.
Let me do this.
So this is so easy. So now we're just going to do 2 layers. You just tear up some ciabatta bread.
Okay.
And you do 1 layer of that, like half of it
Is
on
that
the bottom,
good?
a little more.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you have your frozen spinach. When you do a layer of that,
And
a
then
layer
some
of your
cheese?
mozz. Yeah.
Mozz and parm?
Yeah, mozz and parm.
Mozz and parm, they're best friends.
As much as you like to taste. We'll do 1 more layer.
And another layer.
Another layer.
Another layer.
Yeah. And with the spinach.
Now, do you really get in the kitchen and cook around the holidays?
I do, but you know, we're up in Montana, so at the altitude, it's at like 9,000, so I can't really bake much. This is what's great about this is, you know, you're not...
It's very forgiving.
Well, you don't need it to rise, so
Right.
it's no problem with the altitude. So
Right.
this is really good.
You don't
can't
have to
really
have
bake
special
much.
instructions,
No,
right?
no, not at all.
I think that's awesome, because
Yeah.
whenever anybody says, what can they bring, you're like, anything baked.
Exactly. Because baking's tricky, right? Like,
Well, at high
cooking's
altitude.
forgiving, yeah, but baking, yes.
And baking is way too uptight for me.
All right, so
then you leave
now
it
you're
overnight.
Gonna, with this thing, you put in the fridge and you just let it soak up. Oh, first of all, well, we have to do this.
Oh, yeah, we
have to
do
pour
put the custard over.
We always got so sidetracked. We got so sidetracked.
It is true. Whenever we're together, we do distract each other.
Yeah, because we only see each other like twice a year,
I
right?
know.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put the custard all over it, and then in the fridge and soak it.
time to absorb.
To absorb.
So that's really why it's a perfect make-ahead, because it's necessary
Right.
to make it ahead,
Right.
right?
Yes.
So
So
then it
it's
gets nice
soaked
and firm
overnight.
like this. See how
Yes.
it's very firm?
Yes.
But it's got a nice spring to
Oh,
it.
yes, and it's dense.
It's absorbed
and it's
all
dense.
of
Yes. So then we're gonna put it in the oven.
I'm guessing there's one in the...
Yeah. So
There's one in the
350. Put
Yep, that one's empty.
That one's empty. So put that in there. And because it's
Okay.
the magic of TV, we've
Oh,
got.
look. We have not one but two.
They multiply when they get in the oven. That's what's great about this recipe. So if
Oh
yes,
my God, that's hilarious.
It multiplied.
It literally multiplies
Yes.
right before your eyes.
Here.
Patty just decided to bring enough for all 150 people.
That's
that are
right.
here.
Yeah. There's 15 in there.